Slow down at a relaxed pace with this 4.3-acre gated waterfront estate located in Southwest Florida. Secluded behind a private gate, the main house and the carriage house, totaling 4,815 square feet of living, will check every box on your wish list. The main house boasts an open floor plan with 3 large guest suites, gourmet kitchen, custom diamond cabinetry, quartz countertops throughout, fantastic lighting and ceiling detail, along with an awesome open porch area to enjoy the great outdoors. The carriage house also offers additional living space for extended guests, along with large workshops. Outside you will enjoy lots of open space, a covered boat dock along with 239 feet of river frontage leading out to the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. I'm Mike McMurray with McMurray and Members of Rochelle Real Estate. Give me a call to show you this old Florida riverfront estate or another one of our exclusive properties.